Oh my god. Just one thing after another. At least it's finally out of the Traverse City region, I guess, but... Okay. So... First it was this baby, it's cold outside. Then it was this inclination that somehow Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer was a bully and blah blah bullshit. And now I'm reading on about PETA wanting people to either ban or otherwise stop using terminology that is considered anti-animal. Oh, more of this bull. It's almost as if this oversensitivity, political correctness crap has become a trend, so everyone's hopping on now. PETA wants us to stop using such sayings like kill two birds with one stone, for an instance. Early bird gets the worm, so on and so forth. Because they're words. It's not like people are actually going out there and trying to throw stones at two birds, trying to kill two birds with one stone. My mind is just like breaking. Like, it's hard to explain. This is just so overwhelming in the amount of stupidity and oversensitivity and spinelessness of the society we live in, where these are actual things. These aren't publicity stunts. These aren't movie references. These aren't ads or jokes or comedy skits. These are actual people that are actually making these actual demands and being 100% serious about it. Like, no joke whatsoever. People are legitimately wanting this. To ban words, ban sayings, or otherwise encourage not using such sayings and slang. Again, this is why America is seen as such a joke. People wanting to ban words when we should be doing things that actually matter, that actually make a change for the better. Not just because, oh my god, my feelings are hurt. No. Because you're offended. You're a joke. And you're the reason why America's a joke. Because of people like that. I cannot believe we've gotten this bad. Like, this is 2018. Mark my words. I'm going to be making videos about even lesser things. Because society, just based off of this, there are going to be subject matters that I'm going to be, on top of that are worse than this. By sometime next year, whether it's January or December of 2019, mark my words, I'm going to be making a video sometime in utter shock and amazement of a brand new low of, oh my god, I'm offended by something, oh my god, kind of crap, where they're trying to ban something else or discourage people from doing something else because it's offensive and because it hurts my feelings, or it's a subtle whatever, and people don't like it, so they want to get rid of it, even if it's innocent or whatever. Mark my words, I almost guarantee this to happen. I'm not looking forward to it. I don't want it to be like this, but it's gonna be like this. I can almost guarantee that. Because these last 2 years, 2017, 2018, has been so filled with oversensitivity and fragile-minded, feeble, weak wimps that it's only going to get worse as Generation Z grows older. It makes me sad thinking about how much worse this is going to get. There is such a thing, sometimes I wonder if I'm the only one with tolerance. Yeah, I may not like something, I may disagree with something, but I'm never going to be like, you should ban it. I'd never be like that. Yeah, sure, maybe the whole birds with one stone, I'm looking at it from their perspective. Kill a bird with one stone is mean or whatever the fuck they see it as, but that doesn't mean it's illegal. It doesn't mean that it should be banned. They're not literally saying, hey, I should go do illegal things. No, it's just some olden day saying. If it's not, I cannot believe I have to explain this. I don't know. I really don't know. Like, I'm a pretty tolerant person and all that. I have lots of things that I disagree with, obviously, as you can tell by my YouTube, but, I'm never gonna ban it, discourage it, whatever. Maybe if you're in my presence, concerning certain things, like if you're doing this and I'm trying to talk to you, I'm gonna fuck off with that shit or leave. Things like that, I can get that, but if you use slang that I don't like, I'm gonna let you use it nonetheless. I may not like it, doesn't mean that you can't do it. Things like that. I'm tolerant. I'm resilient. Unlike today's generation and people, apparently. Again, I'm further alienated because of my polymath likeness. I'm good in videography, photography, physics, science in general, gaming, internet, computer infrastructure, servers, you name it. I have a good amount of knowledge in most of the majors. And especially, obviously, my main specialization is romance, love, relationships, and martial arts, of course. And so, because I'm an intellectual, I'm isolated. Because I'm a person of human decency, I'm isolated. And because I have tolerance, I'm isolated. Because I am resilient, I have, the ability to get back up from things and not just boo-hoo me. I'm not like that. I get up, dust myself off, and try at it again. That's my kind of attitude. But for everyone else, it's they fall down. I need help. Let's ban this activity because I get a boo-boo. That's them. And that's how I see them as. Because that is how they're being. I don't know what else to say, really, so I'm just going to end it at that. Till next time.